As you all know, that I have gotten into freelancing as a event planner and organizer. So, I just thought I'll explain you all a few aspects of it as to what I will be doing in case you plan to hold an event or a retreat or a function or any kind of an event to begin with, be it in Himachal Pradesh in India or anywhere in India, basically. And if you need someone to plan, organize, and also manage the entire event, you could get in touch with me. And so today I thought I will address the areas that I will be handling. And so right now I'm living in Bir in Himachal Pradesh. And so to begin with, it would be that I could host or I could help you organize and plan your event in Bir in Himachal Pradesh, which is in the north of India. And there are beautiful venues with the Himalayas at the backdrop and the Shivalik mountains. And as you'll all know, that this is also known as the Dev Bhumi Himachal. So you have a lot of temples and Shakti Pithas to, visit, and lot of historical, mythological congruence that this place holds. So it's a very powerful place in that sense, and it's also a tourist destination and also known as the spiritual center of India. So you have a lot of monasteries as well because you have a lot of Tibetan people staying here. So, coming back to the areas that I will be handling. So, in case you want to have an event done in Bir, Himachal Pradesh, or anywhere in Himachal, or maybe Punjab, Delhi, and then eventually I will be moving on to, different states. But to begin with, it's always good to begin from home. So, and but if you still have any, requirements or events, you could always get in touch with me because I have been working in this area and in this field for many, many years in the five-star hotels in Mumbai. I started my career with that. So, yeah, and if you wish to connect, please connect and let's have your event organized and planned and make it a memorable one for you. So, in my next video, I'll be speaking about the other aspect, which is menu planning and curating. So, I will explain as to how, as an event planner and organizer, I could help you in that sense. So, stay tuned.